The Ducati Monster S4R has long been admired for its iconic naked styling and serious performance, but a recent custom build by Rob Maxwell gives this machine an entirely new attitude. This reworked monster is a stunning example of how thoughtful, well-executed modifications can elevate an already great motorcycle into something truly special. Rob, best known as the creative force behind the Lucky Explorer lifestyle brand, occasionally pursues motorcycle customization as a passion project, and in this case, inspiration came from his friend Gerry, who had just purchased a modified Ducati 749 built by deBolex. Although Rob could not afford a high-budget professional build, he was determined to craft a custom Ducati that would deliver the same emotional punch. His journey began with the purchase of a 2004 Ducati Monster S4R sourced from Glasgow. The bike was stripped down, revealing a clean canvas that allowed Rob to shape the build according to his own vision. One of the first major changes came with the removal of the original exhaust system. In its place, Rob installed a compact aftermarket unit from QD Exhaust. This upgrade not only reduced weight, but also transformed the rear end of the motorcycle, highlighting the signature 5-spoke wheel mounted on a single-sided trellis swing arm. Rob also reworked the subframe, shortening and looping it to tighten the bike's proportions. An LED strip was mounted neatly at the back, paired with a simple license plate holder that keeps the rear design clean and minimalistic. A local leather craftsman was enlisted to create a custom saddle, adding a handmade touch that enhances the overall character of the build. Rob chose to keep the stock fuel tank and front fender, preserving some of the original Monster identity. Suspension upgrades were among the most significant improvements. The rear now features a premium Öhlins shock with a remote reservoir, giving the bike exceptional handling and responsiveness. While the front retains its standard show of forks, they were sent to Brooks suspension for a full upgrade, ensuring balanced and confident performance on any road. The ergonomic setup was completely revised as well. The stock handlebar was replaced with Woodcraft clip-ons for a more aggressive riding position. These clip-ons carry Moto Gadget bar-end turn signals, adjustable billet levers, and a single right-side mirror. The original dials remain, but were repositioned to lower the cockpit profile, contributing to the bike's streamlined aesthetic. A new headlight, mounted with CNC machine brackets, sits just below the instruments. The wheels are wrapped in Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa tires, giving the bike excellent grip and cornering confidence. To complete the visual transformation, Rob coated the entire machine in black paint, although he avoided making it fully monochrome. The gold hardware of the upgraded suspension components adds depth and contrast, giving the bike a refined yet aggressive look. The result is a machine with immense personality and presence. While Rob's creation may not be as extravagant as a deBolex build, it carries its own charm, blending subtle craftsmanship with no-nonsense attitude. The reworked Ducati Monster S4R proves that even a mid-budget DIY project can produce outstanding results when executed with passion and precision. This bike looks ready to carve through the scenic roads of the Scottish Highlands, delivering the raw joy that only a well-built cafe racer can provide.